In this video, I will show you how to book a cab in the Uber app. So first go and open the Uber app, then here enter the pickup location. So just go and write out where you want to be picked up and then where you want to go to. So after doing that, it will get some options for you and you can see a bunch of cabs that are close to you. For example, this one right here is 7 minutes away and you can then also see the price for them. Now you can even see the type of cab it is. For example, this one right here is a van, this one is comfort, this one is Uber priority, etc. Now if you have a pet, for example, you will need to get this one, but it's pretty simple. Just pick one. For example, I'll just take the cheapest one right here. And then here you will see I already have my payment method. If you don't, then you can go and select a payment method right here. And you can also book it as a business. But if you want to do it personally, just choose your payment method. And then here just add that payment method. And then you can just click on choose UberX in the bottom. And then they will come to your location and come pick you up and drive you to wherever you want to be driven to. So it's pretty simple. So now you know how to book a cab in the Uber app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.